Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo goes who.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I posted. I believe my last video was like 2 months ago, so it feels good to be back. As you saw in my intro this morning, I have a little puppy now. It's actually my sister's and mine. Our little puppy, she is a Shih Tzu mixed with a Bichon Frise, if I'm pronouncing that right. She's only 2 months old and her name is Zoe. We've been having her, this will be our going into our second week, so we have had a full week of Zoe. She has a lot of work. She is our first puppy, first pet, first dog, so we're definitely learning and trying to get used to it. But she is such a sweetheart. And yeah, so today is just gonna be a day in my life. With no further ado, I just hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Oh, by the way, I am wearing Allison's cozy as can be crew neck sweater. This is so cute. Allison is on YouTube. I just love her videos, just so aesthetic and cozy and all that cool stuff. So but yeah, so just
but not. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight.
I just finished a workout and drinking my protein. This is the banana flavor.
Tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be not.
See you home.
Because
Alright, so I just got out from the library and I want to quickly share with you guys the books that I picked up. So first is this book called Security, and this was recommended on, you know, I just did like fall book recommendations and this was one of them, so I kind of just want to read it and see how it goes. And then I did pick up some children's book, and these for my little nieces. This one is called Little Dreamers. This one is called Helped Up by Trees. Winter is Coming. Morning City. Good Morning City, my bad. The Midnight Library. And then this one's called Henry's Freedom Box. So yeah, so I just got boba tea from Cha Time, and I like it with pearls. I do mango smoothie and 80% sugar, but I might have to go down to 70 because 80 is still pretty sweet for me. Currently at Poke Bowl because I put it on my order. I went to gym and I just haven't ate, so. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my order. They did say that it was gonna take about 20 minutes, like 10 minutes ago, so I have a few more minutes.
I know I let you down. I made the same mistake. I am the world kind, resting my life away.